Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing our lip monthly unbagging. This one's for the month of December. So I know I'm like a little bit behind on these. Just December and November, just the holiday season in general got super duper crazy and your girl got behind. So we're going to be doing December today. If you guys want to see what I got in my December lip monthly bag, then just keep watching. All right. Let's see what we got in this bad boy. Ooh, this is a pretty bag. Oh, hey, girl. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. Oh, we can see it. Okay, super cute, right? I like that. So if you guys don't know what Lip Monthly is, it's basically a monthly beauty subscription where you get pretty much all lip products. Sometimes they'll throw in like a random makeup product, like an eyeshadow or something, but you basically get all lip products, like 4 to 5 lip products, and it's $12.95 a month. I do have a coupon code where you guys can get 55% off your first bag if you want to try it out. It's really cool. You get really cool lip products, and it's super affordable, so I definitely think it's worth a shot. So I'll go ahead and leave that coupon code down below if you guys decide that you want to try it out. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got in ours this month. So every bag comes with these little flyer things in it and tells you what the bag is. So this one is the December bag, and it just has like a little card in the back. Usually it tells you what's in the bag and like the prices of everything, but I guess for December they didn't decide to do that. Let me pop everything out of here. Oh, hello. So everything we got in our bag this month, or for this month, is a lip product, I believe. Oh no, that one's a face product. Okay, so we got 3 lip products in our bag and then 1 face product for this month. And so we'll start off with this one right here. This is the Hanalei lip treatment. It's a rose lip treatment. And this is like a sample size. So it looks like that. A little bit of pigmentation to it, not too much. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. Yeah. That is what that looks like there. It's pretty much clear for the most part. It's got a hint of tint to it. In the tube, it looks pretty like a dark pink, but that's what it swatches out to. So that one is that. So next up we have the PUR Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream. This one is in the shade Orchid. Okay, so that is what Orchid looks like. Ooh, oh my goodness, girl. This is super pigmented. I was not ready for that. Ooh, okay. Actually, I'll show you guys what it looks like on the wand too. So that's what that looks like. I hope it's coming off plummy because in my viewfinder, it looks more like reddish tone, but in person, it looks more plummy toned. Hopefully you guys can see that, but yeah, that is Orchid. And then we have this IBY Beauty Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Berry. I'm presuming that one's gonna look really good with that PUR. Yeah. Sure will. That's what that looks like. Very deep and vampy. Go ahead and swatch that for you guys. Oh, my swatch looks like Krystal. It's okay. It's all right. Oh, that smells really good. I don't know if it... Oh, it's the liquid lipstick. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like candy. All right, so that is what that looks like. It's in the shade Berry. It'll go perfectly with that liquid lipstick. So pretty. All right, and last but not least, in our bag, we got a Monica Dar Glow Illuminator. It's really pretty. It's like a pinky tone illuminator. Okay, so that is what that looks like in the packaging. Ooh. Okay, girl. Oh, it's like getting stuck to me. So it says you can mix it with foundation or you can wear it alone, which is really nice. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh, that'd be great to mix with foundation. The luminous glow in your foundation. All right, so that is what that looks like. Can you see that? Oh, there it goes. You can see it better there. Super pretty, kind of like a pinky tone, very subtle shimmery shade. I think this will go great in foundation. Give you a nice glow from within, a dewy kind of look. Okay, so that's everything we have in our bag for the month of December. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys still want to see these videos for the Lip Monthly unbaggings, and I'll keep doing them for you guys if you do. Don't forget to thumbs up the video also if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Hey girl, hey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we don't lose each other. Also, if you're already subscribed to my channel, just hit that little bell so you guys can stay notified on all my new videos that come out. I know a lot of you guys aren't getting notifications for my videos. So if you hit that little bell there, it'll definitely keep you guys updated. It'll put you on this like little registrar list or whatever, and it'll keep you guys updated on all my new videos. And yeah, so definitely do that. And I hope you guys had an amazing day today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video.